Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have the Holy Stone HS440, and I'm very excited to get this because it's kind of like a smaller to mid-sized drone, but it's highly portable. What I mean by that is you can fit this in the back of your backpack. And basically, you take it out, it comes wrapped in plastic, and this is the whole kit that you get. I took out the batteries ahead of time, and actually I have the second battery charging, so you actually get two batteries. It does not come with a charging block, but it is USB, so it'll fit any charging block that you have, or your laptop or your desktop. So you have a nice little compact container. It has some protective foam on top of that, and this is what the batteries and the cable came in. And then you have some accessories, like you have some extra propellers. You have a little screwdriver that you can change them with. Then you have your instruction manual. You got kind of like your caution card to kind of warn you about the batteries. And in this booklet, it's pretty big. So, you're also going to get another caution of batteries card that goes in there. And then you have the instruction booklet. It's pretty thick, but it covers a lot of different languages in here. And we're going to kind of look for a quick start guide. And basically what I am looking for is you have to download an app that's in here. So it's asking for the Holy Stone FPV app. And what we'll do is come over here real quick and I'll show you where to find that. So if you go to your Play Store, and basically you're looking for a Holy Stone FPV. I have already downloaded it, but it's pretty easy. You basically download it, you hit open, and then it's waiting for you to connect to the camera. But you have to do that through your Wi-Fi. And there is a sign-up process involved, but it's really simple. It's just like kind of putting like your email address and a password. And other than that, this is the drone. And this is what I love about it, is it's nice and compact. And you extend the arms out. Do the bottom ones first, then we'll do the top. And you get a pretty large framed drone. I mean, that's pretty big. You get a really good size on that thing. And that's your camera, very stable. And this is where you install your battery. So your battery installs in this little compartment right here. So you want to make sure you have that set the right way. And basically just put it in place, and you'll kind of hear a click. So it's got this little click piece right here that locks your battery into place. And it is in there pretty good. So there you go. So that's the little latch that goes on it. So we'll basically turn the power switch on. So you're basically good to go. So we're going to set that down on the table. And then this is your remote. And it takes 3 AAAs. So we're going to go grab those and we'll be right back. All right, so open this battery compartment and get your Amazon AAA batteries. And then put the lid back on. Okay, then that's your remote. And this is a Note 10, so it's a pretty wide phone. And first things first, we are going to be looking for the Wi-Fi. And we're going to be looking for the drone in here, and it's going to show up as the Holy Stone FPV. So we click on that, we connecting, checking the quality of the connection, and we're good to go. And then you can see the camera's hooked up already. So let's go outside the flyer. So you got to sync it. So you move up, down, and then hold it for a couple seconds. And then you have your 1-button takeoff. And super easy to control, very stable, and you got a good camera angle. So pretty cool. And then on your controller you can take a picture, you can take a video once you have everything set up. But again, what an awesome little drone. And then when you are done, just hit the 1 button and it will land. And you're good to go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, really cool drone. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.